Hello everyone. In the earlier class, we have studied about the plant adaptations in desert ecosystems, right? Like plants, even animals also show some adaptations. So now we are going to study about the animal adaptations. Like for example, if we take camel, you all have seen camel, right? So see here the hump which is present on the back side stores fat for later use, and this is the adaptation seen in camel. And even some other adaptations are also found, like long eyelashes. This will help camel from getting protection from sand. And even nostrils, they will close voluntarily so as to protect from blowing sand. Even camel will have long legs which will keep the body away from the hot ground. So these are all the adaptations which are seen in camel. And let us see some other examples, like sidewinder snake, which crawls sideways with only a small amount of its body pressed against the hot sand. So this is the technique through which this snake will help itself to keep cool. Okay, this is the sidewinder snake which you can see in this picture. Now let us discuss few more examples. Here you can see this is the golden mole. This has the adaptation of escaping the heat of the sun by swimming through the sand just below the surface, and very rarely it will come out, as every need of this golden mole is found inside itself. Okay, next example is this is kangaroo rat. Among all the animals, few animals will show some extraordinary ability which will help them to survive in the desert. So one of the example is kangaroo rat, which is of western North American desert. And this rat, it can live whole life without drinking water. So this is the specialty of this rat, and this is the unique feature which is helping it to survive by adaptation. Now let us discuss next example is about the desert bird, that is sand grouse, which has an adaptation of flying long distances to an oasis in search of water, and this water which it carries back in its crop for its nestlings. And next we are going to study about Finac fox, whose feet, or else we can say soles, are covered with the hair, and this will help it to walk on the hot sand and lose heat through its ears. As you can see here, the ears are very large. So this is the adaptation which is shown by the Finax fox. Now next we are going to study about sand diving lizard. Here you can see this lizard, it will hold its feet in the air to cool down, which is an adaptation of this lizard. And till now we have completed all the examples regarding the animal adaptations in desert ecosystem. Thank you.